In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel your Google Cloud free trial step by step, the correct and safe way so you don't get charged after the trial period ends. If you signed up for Google Cloud to test services like Compute Engine, Firebase, or BigQuery, and now you're done experimenting, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. This is especially important because simply not using Google Cloud does not automatically cancel your billing account. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and cloud tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Cloud Console by visiting console.cloud.google.com. Make sure you're logged in with the Google account that you use to activate the free trial. Once the Google Cloud Console loads, take a moment to check the top navigation bar. Here, you'll see your currently selected project. This step is very important because billing is always linked to a specific project. If you have multiple projects, click on the project dropdown and select the project that is connected to your billing account. If you're not sure which one it is, don't worry, we'll confirm it in the next step. Next, look at the left-hand navigation menu. Click on Billing. If the menu is collapsed, you may need to click the three-line menu icon in the top left corner first. Once you're in the billing section, you'll see an overview of your billing account, including whether your free trial is still active and how much credit you have left. This screen confirms that you're viewing the correct project linked to your billing account. Now, on the billing page, look for the option that says Manage Billing Account. Click on it. This will take you to the main billing account settings page, where you can control payments, account status, and billing preferences. On this page, you'll see details like your billing account name, payment method, and account status. Carefully look through this page to make sure you're working on the correct billing account, especially if you've ever created more than one. Once you've confirmed everything, find the option that says Close Billing Account. This is usually located in the Account Management or Settings section. Click on Close Billing Account to continue. Google will now show you a confirmation screen explaining what happens when you close your billing account. This includes stopping future charges and disabling paid services for any projects linked to this billing account. Read through the information carefully so you understand the impact. When you're ready, confirm that you want to close the billing account. After you confirm, your Google Cloud free trial billing will be canceled and you won't be charged going forward. At this point, your billing account is officially closed. Keep in mind that any paid resources will stop working, but free tier services may still be accessible depending on Google's current policies. As a final tip, if you want to be extra safe, you can go back to the billing page and verify that the account status shows as closed. This gives you peace of mind that everything is fully canceled. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Google Cloud free trial the right way and avoided any unexpected charges. If this tutorial saved you time or money, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.